Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with a new video. Today we will discuss from Chapter 3. Among the data types, we will discuss set and frozen set. Let's get started. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. It is defined using curly braces. Sets can be used to store any data type, including numbers, strings, floats and objects. A frozen set is an immutable set object in Python. This means that once a frozen set is created, its elements cannot be changed. This makes frozen sets useful for applications where you need to ensure that a set of data remains constant. Here you can see sets and frozen sets example. Let's see the whole thing practically. Here we will create a new file as we before. Alright, first of all we will create a set. See here, as we said before, sets can be used to store any data type, including numbers, strings, floats and objects. Now we using type function to check it's set or not. As you can see here, this is a set. Now we will create a set from tuple. As you can see here, tuple converted into set. And similar way we can convert a list into set. Now we will use range function to make a set. Now we will use dictionary to make a set. As you can see here, dictionary converted into set, but we got only key, not value. If we want to access key value from set, then we need to use loop or if condition. So, when we will discuss the loop or if condition, then we discuss these things once more. Now we will learn about how to add an item to set. Here you can see, after update the set, we got this. Now we will use update function, to update a set. As you can see here, our set is updated. Now we will learn how to remove an element from set. See here, we want to remove 6 from the set. Let's execute. As you can see here, 6 is removed from set. Now we will learn about set operations. Python set provides different built-in methods to perform mathematical set operations like union, intersection, subtraction, and symmetric difference. So, first we will learn about union of two sets. Now we will create two sets. We will use the pipe character or the union method, to perform the set union operation. we will use the pipe character or the union method, to perform the set union operation. As you can see here, our two sets have merged into one. Now we will use union method instead of pip character. Now we will use intersection operation. In Python, we use the AND operator or the intersection method, to perform the set intersection operation. See here, we got 1 and 3, because both 1 and 3 exist in our two sets. Now we will use ampersand sign to perform this operation. Now we will learn about difference between two set. We will use the minus operator or the difference method to perform the difference between two sets. As you can see here, we got 1 and 6. The difference of two sets can be found using the minus operator. The result is a new set that contains all the elements that are in the first set but not in the second set. Now let's try to understand in reverse the set value. Now our output will be 2 and 5, because new set that contains all the elements that are in the first set but not in the second set. As you can see here, we got 2 and 5 as output. Now we will learn about symmetric difference between two set. We can use the caret sign, or the symmetric difference method to perform symmetric difference between two sets. As you can hear, we got 1 3 5 6, because 2 is common in both 2 set. Now we can check if 2 sets are equal. Simply here we will use double equal operator. Now we will learn about frozen set. A frozen set is an immutable set object in Python. This makes frozen sets useful for applications where you need to ensure that a set of data remains constant. It's similar to a set, but it's immutable, but you can use all mathematical set operations like union, intersection, subtraction, and symmetric difference. So friends, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Please subscribe the channel to support us. And don't forget to like the video. Thank you.